Choosing an ideal gutter system in Muncie, Indiana can be confusing. Here at Clemens, we've got you covered with the 5 essential qualities to select the best system for your home. Effective gutter guards are critical as they protect your gutters from debris. LeafX gutter guards are specifically designed to direct water into the gutter, preventing everything else from entering. Standard gutters are only 5 inches wide. We install 6-inch gutters to add an extra inch of security. This adds 40% water capacity and helps prevent clogs and overflow. Using a suitable material is critical. Take standard aluminum gutters for starters. They're 0.27 aluminum, while our gutters are 0.32, making ours 20% thicker. Plus, choosing thicker material improves durability and resistance to harsh weather. Your gutters are only as good as the hangers holding them in place. Choosing an excellent hanger, like Hangfast Gutter Hangers, will keep your gutters from sagging and losing the battle with the elements. The most important consideration is the gutter installation. If you have shoddy workmanship, it won't matter how good your parts are. When you're ready for a fabulous gutter installation, call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535.